UltraCeramic Contract is an engineered stone flooring that can be installed and grouted within 24 hours. Doesn't require heavy machinery like natural stones do. Simply cut the tile using a utility knife and bend to separate. UltraCeramic Contract is installed with its fast curing grout, therefore there's no need for mixing. UltraCeramic Contract can be installed over wood or concrete subfloors. The subfloor should be smooth and flat, as well as clean, dry, and free of dust prior to installation. Using a U-notch trowel, apply American Biltrite's AD610 adhesive to an area that can be covered within 45 minutes. Give a 5 to 10 minutes flash time. Lay tiles with directional arrows pointing in the same direction. Use the horseshoe spacers between each tile. Continue laying tiles until the row is completed. Repeat on the next row based on your desired laying pattern. Spacers will need to be removed within 45 to 60 minutes. After removing the spacers, roll the floor with a 100-pound roller in both directions. Proceed to grouting after a minimum of 3 hours after the start of the adhesive application using UltraCeramic Contract premixed grout. Apply the grout following directions on the container. Make sure all joints are free of gaps and voids. Grout will firm up within 3 to 5 minutes and can be cleaned right after. Apply a very light film of water over the grouted tile surface using a spray bottle. Rub the grout haze very gently using a clean, damp, white scouring pad. Take a clean, damp, flat sponge and use a clean water bucket to do a final rinsing of the surface. That's it. UltraCeramic Contract requires no waxing and is easy to clean and disinfect without risk of tarnishing. Visit American-Biltrite.com for the most up-to-date installation guidelines.